Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Shopify. Today we are going to learn set the default address through Shopify REST Storefront API. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So first of all, we will create the two addresses. So currently I have only one address, right? So let's have a look. So previous one that I have created, that is create address, right? So here I'm going to create a new address. Here I will add the new address one, that is sector 34 Chandigarh, and the country should be India, and province I need to check province whatever it is. Zip code is 160 102. Province I don't remember. SS token is that one. Let's try to send. And invalid code, province is not a valid, right? So I need to check the province of that one. So province might be um let's put it Punjab over here. Is it okay? Yeah, this is that one. So it is created. Let's have a look that currently there is one address, right? So it's gonna be like two addresses right now. So view the addresses. Okay, so here you can see that we have two addresses, but default one is this one, right? So let's suppose I want to make this default address, right? How I'm going to do that? Let's have a look. So here we set the default address to the Shopify. Let's have this notation, set a default address. Let's copy this. First of all, let's copy this URL. Okay, and paste it over here. Make a post request, go to the body, GraphQL. Okay, let's paste this notation. Okay, so this is that one. Hide this. Okay, so now the GraphQL variables I need to put, that is customer SS token, and the address ID I need to put. So here we go with this customer SS token. I need to get it from here. Okay, let's copy this. I need to paste it over here. Okay, now the address ID. I need to check the address ID over here. So it is returning the address ID. So this is the ID with SS token. I think we need this one, I suppose. Let me just copy this one. Okay, the customer ID, right? Let's have a look. Post, and this is our token, I guess. Let's copy paste this. Let's try to send this one. And let me just do this one, just scroll this. Okay, let's try to send. SS denied for that one. I think the address ID. So I think the address ID is not that one. Let's have a look what they have returned, the customer, and this is ID. Let's put this one if it is this one ID, right? So let's go to that one, and here I'm going to put it over here, address ID. Okay, let's try to send this. Okay, there is another issue, that is the headers. We haven't passed it, right? So let's copy the headers. That is this one token, that's important and mandatory. And let's copy the headers from here, copy and paste this, and let's try to send this one. So this is the address, I suppose. No, default address. Which API it is? Body, that is set a default address. Let's have a look this address is set or not, that this one. Okay, let's reload this, and here we can see the default address is test one. Okay, So this is how we are able to set the default address in the Shopify for the customer. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.